I've been missing you for so many days. I keep wanting you, Lord, in so many ways. I can't get you off of my mind. But true love is so hard to find. I want it another day. Ooh, I need it another day. Darling, let me have another day. And I can be anything that you want me to be. The sweet things you used to do to me. Kind words, Lord, you used to say. I can't forget those lovely days. But this is the price I'm
Why, God? Why? Why what? Who are you? How did you get in here? Calm down now. I don't know who you are, but you out of your mind. That thing wouldn't work if you emptied the clip, and it certainly ain't gonna work without bullets. Here you are, sitting in the dark room, listening to Otis Redding, thinking about killing yourself. Talk to me. I ain't come all this way to listen to my own voice. I can't do it. Do what? Live? Yes, you can. Just stop trying to kill yourself. Go home. Got nothing to live for. Nothing. Not one thing. Yes, you do. You don't get it. She's gone. She's gone. She's gone. I know. 3 years ago today, Afghanistan. You know? Yeah, of course. I was there. I took her that day. Death. You were death? Death. Man, it's funny. I remember the day I created death. Created death? You're the devil. What I am is here. What do you want with me? What do you want with you? You're the one sitting here palming a gun thinking about sending your soul to hell. Hell? How you figure? I ain't done nothing to nobody. I'm a good guy. I lost somebody. Why am I going to hell? You weren't given the gift of life to throw it on the floor. I prefer to stay away from the convoluted mistellings of religion, but I will confirm that suicide is a sin. I've tried. Can't go on. It ain't working. Not without it. Just ain't. I know. She was the start of your day. I know she was the last thought you had before you went to sleep. She was everything you ever wanted, but despite the melodramatic nature of romance-based suicide, do you think she would want you to kill yourself? No. Just don't understand. Why does God let these things happen? You have freedom of choice. That's what makes this mortal coil unique. It's one giant eternal tapestry of trillions of unique choices interacting with one another. Some choices stretch across time and space and others both. People lie, steal, manipulate, and do things like start wars in the name of material gain or material power. They will pay. People join armies, take sides, draw weapons, as was our choice. It was not the way of things to make people do one thing or another. It's simply the way things are, that people have the options to weave themselves into the tapestry. And it's their fate. Other choices interact with theirs for the greater good or something that's less desirable. No one was promised eternal life, only the comfort of heaven or the discomfort of hell. It's sad that she's gone, but I ask you, do you want what she wants, you to suffer centuries of discomforts of hell for killing yourself? Centuries? I thought it's supposed to be eternal damnation. Apparently the Buddhists are right. You suffer a while, get reincarnated, but that's nonetheless. The question is, what are you going to do? Here, take the bullets back. Your gun works now. Take the gun. Kill yourself. Kill your unborn children. My children? I don't have any kids. And you won't if you choose to kill yourself. You love them, yeah. But there's no greater love than seeing the smile of your child. Do you want to destroy yourself for your past or live for your future? How would you know? Do you have any kids? No, kids are ghosts. However, I have several sons. Do what you will. You have a good heart and a good life in front of you. I don't recommend throwing it away. So why are you helping me? Why is the devil helping me? The devil? The devil? You mean the pretty boy with the big mouth and the glass jaw? They got kicked out of the celestial kingdom? No, that ain't it. Not good. Then who are you? I am that I am.
I will do anything